the ramp. Instruction manuals, computer type power cable. There, vacuum bag. There's a cleaning tool, cleaner as well. Okay, so it's quite simple. And then this just plugs into here. Well, that's it. I clip the brush on. Piece of foam that's wedged in there. Side. Wow, so there's a camera in there. That looks really cool. So that exposed the electrical contacts here. An on-off switch. The power cord plugs into here. Here are the water tanks. So in here is the vacuum bag. Cleaning solution goes in here. So I'm going to put some in. That goes in there. I've got the solution in. The water needs to go into this tank. This one stays empty. Put some water in there. That's ready to go. Really easy to take these brushes out. Just move the tab and they pop out. I'm going to switch it on. Okay, so it's on now. Everything's ready to go. I'm going to try it with no internet first.
Start cleaning mop pad.
Gets really close to everything. Watching it. Oh, I saw the laser. Oh, look. There is some dust under there. Oh, there's a battery under there. I gotta get that. Is very accurate. Okay, I better let it do its business. No, you're not coming out. It goes right around all the legs. So the vacuum doesn't miss an inch. And it does not do the same path every time. It's very, very efficient. It goes right back to the area it did not wash. I can see that it's washed all over there. It hasn't missed anything. And it's really quiet. And then it went right to the door. I'm not sure what it's doing right now.
Cleaning completed. Return to the dock to charge. Start charging. Start auto empty. Start cleaning mop pad.
So it's drawing the water from the machine and it's cleaning its mop head and then it's drawing it into the dirty water container. The floor looks great. Okay, so I've introduced a rug. Let's see what it does. Oh, there we go. Got onto the carpet. Wow. So it recognized the carpet and I just put it on the floor. That is unbelievable. it's cranked up its vacuum. Wow, it really increased its... Well, where are you going, buddy?
Completed. Return to the dock to charge.
Okay, it just finished. It's saying to empty the dirty water. Oh, wow. That water. Check the vacuum bag. Oh, yeah, it's already collected quite a bit. It works better than expected. Not only does it vacuum, but it also mops the floor. It's very precise. It doesn't miss. It gets very close to everything. So it seems to automatically just assess the room and it just cleans it the way it wants to clean it. 12 by 14 takes about 10 minutes to vacuum and then mop the floor. So, I mean, this thing works really well.
Start charging. Start auto empty. Start cleaning mop pads. Task completed. Please empty the used water tank timely. Start dehydrating mop pads. Start cleaning.
So the vacuum's been running already for, I'm going to say 2 hours. And that has involved vacuuming 2 bedrooms, this type of flooring in the hallways, and has washed that. It's amazing watching it. It'll go like, when it was in here doing this, it found the rug, it found the perimeter of it, it washed all the floor around it, and then it hopped up onto the rug, switched to vacuum mode, vacuumed just the rug, and then stepped back off of it. Now in here, you can see I've got some stuff on the floor here because I'm working on something, and it is very carefully going around everything. When it was under my bed in the bedroom, it got caught on the heating blanket control cable, and it was able to get off of it all by itself. It shut the vacuum off. It shut its little brushing system down. It kind of did this back and forth thing until it got out of the cord, and then it turned itself back on and kept on vacuuming. I mean, the thing is very intelligent. I mean, just look at that, right? Like it does a great job. I mean, this carpet is in good shape. I take good care of it, but it's also got some age on it. But you can still see the vacuum marks in it. And it actually, when it did the floors out here, it did an initial mop, and then it came back and it did a more thorough one. So, I don't know if that's just how it does or what, but but it's over here right now. It's about to disappear under that coffee table. I'm super impressed. I mean, I couldn't be any more impressed with it, honestly. Get this ottoman out of the way for it.
Start cleaning.
Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Qué bestia. Wow.
Start charging.